What's going on, guys? Thanks for tuning back into my channel. Today we are going to be talking about wiring up your tool cart with an LED strip that I posted in a previous video. So I'm going to show you how I got it all set up right now. As you can see, I have my LEDs run off this Milwaukee M12 battery. I put the mount right there with double-sided tape and put the wires down on the side of the column right there. There was enough spacing to put them down there safely without getting pinched or damaged. One of the first things you're going to need to do is you're going to need to remove your drawers from your tool cart. On the side, they have these little clips, as you can see right here. That one you're going to want to push down, and on the right side you're going to want to pull that one up. It's going to release the latch on the inside so you can pull your drawers out easily, and it's also a good time to oil up your tracks. So I'm going to go ahead and put a little time lapse of me removing the drawers. So right here you can see the positive and negative wire from the battery coming out the top, and you're going to want to use wire strippers to strip off the rubber coating off the wire so you can have it exposed to put these little wire connections onto the wires, so it makes connecting them easier. So here you're going to see the LED strip double-sided taped to the side of the drawer. Put the double-sided tape down, and then I put that over top, and you can see in some spots I have clear tape holding it up until the double-sided tape cures and it's able to hold it on its own. Right here you're going to see the little sensor, magnetic sensor, to turn your lights on and off, and you're going to see the other part of the sensor up against the wall right here, about 1 millimeter away. You're going to get your wire strippers and strip off about, I want to say, 1/8 of an inch, and put your adapters on there. You're going to want to put a male on one side and a female on the other, and do the same to the wires coming from the top of your tool cart. In order to put your drawers back in your tool cart properly, there are 2 little notches on both sides of your rails where you slide the drawer into and then push it all the way back, and you will hear them firmly grasp. Right here you can see me moving the wires out of the way so they don't get in the way of the locking mechanism. Once you get all your drawers back in, this is what it's going to look like. And I'm sure you guys are wondering how I got that LED mounted in there. I'm going to have to show that in a different video because that was a whole different process. And it's a different actuating switch to the top lid. And there you go. That's as easy as it is. So thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate you guys tuning in and watching this video. If you guys like what you've seen, hit the like. Leave me a comment. I read them all and I will respond. Thanks again, and have a good day.